Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I want to take you through how you can start a website using Interserver.net as your hosting option. I want to start by telling you why I've been using Interserver for the last 5 years. One is because they are flexible in terms of payment. You can choose to pay on a monthly basis, quarterly, half year, or yearly. The second thing is that they are quite affordable. As you begin, you get an offer, a 65% off if you choose to go with standard web hosting. They also have other options of hosting that I'll take you through later. But their costing is quite affordable. So you begin with about 2.5. Sometimes they have an offer of $1 for the first month. And then if you choose to go by the monthly payment options, then you'll be paying $7 as at now. You'll be paying $7 every month. The other thing that I like about them is because their pricing is fixed. If you come in and say that you want to be paying $7 every month, then that is what you will pay until you terminate your service with them. So they don't change or hike prices every time you renew, as I've experienced with other hosting companies. Their pricing is fixed. So if you choose to be paying yearly or quarterly, whatever price you come in with, that is what you'll be renewing your hosting with them. And then their support is also very good. They have great support. They have people online throughout. So if you have an issue, just go to the chat box over here, click on it, and someone will be waiting to talk to you in a few minutes, and they're able to sort you out within a very short period. And the other thing is that their hosting, their website I've hosted with them are quite fast. They have great service. And so today I'm welcoming you to Interserver. If you don't have a website or you want to build an extra website, Interserver is great. When you come in, for example, to do web hosting with them, and you've chosen the standard web hosting, you'll be surprised that by paying $7 every month, you can host unlimited websites with this package. This is one of the greatest marketing thing that they've been able to get so many people host with them, because they are just good, and I'm confident to sell them to you. So let's get started. Now, you will go to the description box. Please go to the my description box down here, and you'll be able to see a link. This link will take you to the screen, and you will be able to get this discount. So please use the link at the description, and you will be able to go along with me. So if you're already in Interserver, you just come in and click on login. So as you can see, they have all these. You can be able to get the services with them. So for us, we're going to go with standard web hosting, but if you want any other, like the dedicated options, then you can go with any of these, or the reseller hosting. If you want to be doing reselling, you can go with the reseller hosting option. They are quite affordable. You will love it. So we go with standard web hosting, or you can just come and click on buy now. So let me quickly just take you through. So they offer unlimited SSD storage, unlimited email accounts. You get 30 days money back guarantee. If you're not happy with their service, they send your money back. And then all this, you also get free SSL certificates and free website migration. So if you're not happy with where you are, you just come to Interserver and you will be able to enjoy this service. So let's go to buy now. You can choose to register your new domain with them, or if you have you already have a domain, you can just come and you can click on I already have a domain, and then you enter the domain that you want to use. So if I chose register a domain, then I come here and say shoegamechanger.com. Click on continue. So the first year domain registration will be 7.99, and of course this is dependent on the offer that the payment option that you choose. So let's just click on yes and then continue. Since I'm already logged in, I'm just going to click on continue, but at this point you'll be prompted to sign up. Okay, so as you can see, this is my welcome package. So the first month I'll pay $2.5 because in this case I'm going for payment option of every month. But if I choose to be paying every year, sorry, the option they have is monthly, half an year, and yearly. So if I choose to go with half an year, then the first 6 months I'll pay $15, and as you can see, this is quite affordable. Then after the 6 months I will renew with $42, and this will be locked. So every 6 months I'll be paying $42. As you can see here, we have gotten a discount from $11 to $7.99. So the first month, so this will be our discount. For the first 6 months you pay $15 and then $7.99, and then with privacy you get $5. Well, this if you choose to go with to register your domain with other providers like Namecheap, then you get this free, you don't pay for it. But if you choose to do everything in Interserver, then you get this discount of $15, and then you get domain registration at $7.99, and this one you get at $5. So for the first 6 months you get started with $27.99. Isn't that good, guys? $27.99 the first 6 months. If you're okay with that, or if you can choose any other option that you want to go with, whatever you're comfortable with, then you go ahead and pay with either PayPal or your card, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Once you pay, you will get your login credential to your cPanel, and then from there I'm going to show you how the cPanel looks like. But first, let's go back and see if how the cost will be if you choose to use your own other domain, if you choose to buy your domain from another company. Just a minute. So if you come back here and say that I already have a domain, let me put one of my domains. And then I click on continue. So there's a prompt here that if I want to transfer the domain and renew for another year at $7.99, but I already have it somewhere else and I wanted to stay there, so I'll click on no and then continue. So as you can see, I'm only going to pay $15 for the first 6 months, and then after that I'll renew at $42. If I want to be paying every month, then I will pay I'll pay $2.5 as a welcome discount, and then after that I'll be paying $7 every other month, and this is locked, guys. Whatever option you choose to go with, it remains locked, and you'll never pay extra until you terminate your service with Interserver. That is one of the reasons why I love Interserver. And then after this, just go ahead and pay with PayPal or credit card, and then you receive an email. After a few minutes you will receive an email. Check your emails for the login credentials to your cPanel. So now let's go to cPanel. Before we go to the cPanel, let me give you the option in case you don't want to buy your domain with Interserver and you prefer to use another provider. Then I would recommend that you use Namecheap. Please go use the link at the description. it will take you to this page, namecheap.com, and then when you come here, you'll be able to see an option where you can search for availability of the domain. So let me put the same domain name, and then click on search. Now, as you can see, you will get quite a number of extensions. The .com at 8.88 per year. Then the renewal after this will be about 11.11, about I think $11. Then other extensions, .net, .org, .tv, .name. You'll get quite a number of extensions for you to choose from. So whichever you choose, then you click on add to cart. Click on add to cart and then go ahead and pay for it. Then come back to the cPanel that we're going to open now, and then proceed from there. Now this is how your cPanel will look like. So if you want to create emails, you'll come here and click on email accounts, and you'll be able to create as many emails as you want. Also, if you want to add extra websites to the same hosting, then you'll come here and click and add on domains. Now, for you to be able to install WordPress, you can come and choose this, or you choose this option so that you can be able to choose from whichever app that you want to use. Maybe you want to use an app that is related to e-commerce or any other like real estate. Then you choose on that option, and this page will open. So you have options here to choose from. Whichever app you want to use, just go ahead and click on install. So if you're opening a business website or a blog and you want to use WordPress, just come here and click on install. And then within a minute, it will be installed to your site. After that, you'll be able to access your dashboard. Let's now go to the dashboard and see how it will look like. Now, this will be your dashboard. Once you get into WordPress, this will be the dashboard that you'll be able to access. And from the sidebar, you can be able to do a lot of customization and also add plugins. So what I'm going to do is to leave a link at the description, and then you will be able to access a very well detailed tutorial about setting up your WordPress, getting started with WordPress, and the plugins that you need to get started so that you can create a good website for your business or for your blog or for anything. Now, that is my review on Interserver and how to get started with WordPress using Interserver as your hosting option. If you need service on website creation, e-commerce or e-commerce store or a business site, just let me know, contact me, and I'll be glad to offer the service to you. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.